Hi my friends, this is assignment for the constraints lessons. So we have 4 different objects and you have a task to combine them the following way. There is another page, constraints assignment ready, where I put ready objects. They are already combined the way that they should be, but this is just example for video for you. But if you don't understand how to do it here, of course you can go and see what's inside of these objects. So let's see how they behave. If I pull the biggest frame to the right, green and pink objects stretch with it, and yellow circle remains in the center, so it's always centered. And if I stretch the biggest frame to the bottom, there is another behavior, only green frame stretches and yellow and pink objects remain in the center. So you have to set constraints for all these 4 objects at this page, so they will behave like this, like I showed to you right now. Good luck and hope this will master your skills.